Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Hannah. I am Ernel C. Morano and I will tackle about popular music and globalization by Yara El Gadban. Yara El Gadban is a novelist, anthropologist, and ethnomusicologist. Yara El Gadban is being famous in her times because of the novels that she wrote. It was published and known on the other countries that she loves to read and to spend most of her time. Globalization. Globalization, a stage upon which process of contact and friction take place and process propelled by capital. As what I have understand about globalization is I talk more on the connection or build relationship of our country and other countries because especially to the good and demands. Most specifically, the music will be widely known along with its composer and example. Actor songs, muna sila ang mga appeal sa globalization. Diri ni mo man known ang mga Amerika like mga paubaya nga kanta nga ginagamit o nadadala na siya sa globalization kay tungod kay nasikat na siya o kana pong mga kanta nilang Justin Bieber nilang vice versa nasa connection dira makita nga naay globalization involved not just for the country but millions. Popular music. Popular music serves as the gateway to explore representations and meanings associated with music making in the times of globalization. As what I have said earlier, popular music is one of the most instrument to be known to the other countries, mostly sa songs nag-create kay nag-use siya sa ibang bansa as kanang ginagamit siya sa weddings, kanang kanta nga like Beautiful in White o kaning mga kanta sa mga funerals o sa debut kanang Dance with My Father nag-contains na siya sa kanang nag-contains na siya og deep meaning kanang sa sa songs. Naila na siya all throughout the world in globalization. Popular music in one of the most armor enables to connected to each other para magkasinabtan na bitaw o kaning history history sa history of globalization. A long series of fruitful yet violent cross-cultural encounters that took place beyond the north-south axis. Ni siya kanang nabot na sa laing lugar na ang mga kanta o kanang gina-publish naman bakang siya yung mga time ng mga pizza kano saan na siya gi-compose o kano sa na sikat na nga mga kanta sa tibuok kalibutan. Popular music and musicians in society from local to global participate at once in the reinforcing of boundaries of culture and identity and in subverting them. At this time, people are participating on the cultures and identity by others' boundaries. Ari mag-start ang tanan kung sa tao pa knowing each other capacity o characteristic ari nga time dili widely known ang music diri. So kaning highly mediated is a deep invested in meaning and has proven to be an extremely mobile and resourceful form of capital. Uh, as the years passed by, ang naila na ang music hinahinay through the different resources or the key actors, which is nag-compose ang mga singer, wherein mostly of their songs is kanang makabighani sa tao, like og kantahon pa ma-feel of essence sa kanta, and it's passed through the social media platforms. Result of interaction of large networks of actors from local, niabot siya o kuan kanang sa tunga-tunga wherein naaray progress popular music along with composer through interacting to large network actors, specifically from their countries, muna siya provide a sense of community and identity. This time popular music was involved and literally widely known na siya, kanang iladom na siya sa tibuok, para lado siya sa tibuok nga country, sa asa nga lugar, and kanang maunang naanatay Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, kadalasan mao po na ang ginagamit para mabawan sa worldwide, labi na kanang mag-viral. Madungog na nato ang mga music sa madungog na tayo mga music sa ilang Madonna, Ariana Grande, Lisa, kanang sa Blackpink, kanang mga singer, mga unsa pa na diya klase muna siya, role musician and their status in society, wandering between marginally and power. Music markers, be they located in the northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere, and inevitably entangled in the cultural, economic, and political dynamics of globalizations. So kanina contact, rereading the history of music and globalization. There are two options, na positive ug negative. Ang positive kay very useful in contemporary archaeology for documenting the interaction between Europeans and indigenous people in the Americas, Africa, and Australia, among others. Positive kay siya all of documents about satisfactory ay hindi lang. All of the documents about history of music and globalization are very useful, kanang gamit kina siya, as it connect to different music industries sa mga country. So ang negative kay downplaying of the colonialist of these encounters tends of refine cultural traits. Kung siya, anang para ng ang kanta, ginabully ba, the song was bullied was rightful acknowledged, para ng sa laing lugar, kanang di sila kaangay sa kanta, di sila ganahan nila, ilang iban muna. Because of the cultural traits, they choose not to appreciate their music and songs composer. Kanin diri, Arabic makams in ragas and the Persian radif, which have been canonized as tradition or related track by set of performance, theoretically principal aesthetic values spread through Africa and Middle East during Muslim Empire. These contacts do not fit in Eurocentric map inherited since 16th century cartographers. They are therefore often neglected in contemporary histories. apil na siya sa history sa globalization. The writer history of Western music, which tends to emphasize its emerge in Europe, subsequent expansion to North America beyond. As a result, it undermines the impact of his encounters with other music traditions of the world and the intercultural relations that contribute to the making Western musical canons. Kaning cultural exchanges between understandable naman marag ano ni anang marag basahonon lang ni cultural exchange between the Venetians and various representatives of Arab and Muslims sultanates and caliphates continued for at least 3 centuries. 1534, King Francois I sent a Western orchestra to Istanbul as a sign of friendship with Ottoman Sultan Süleyman. Introduction of two new rhythm in Turkish music whose name referred to the French origin, the Frankin Frangiferi. Tungod ani ma'am kay ani si King Francois daw padala daw og orchestra sa Istanbul muna ko na siya ma'am. Nadala na siya sa friendship anang ano na siya consider na siya sa globalization kay laing lugar naman. 1872, Sultan Muhammad II sent the first Turkish mission composed in 158 students to train them various Western conservatories. Effect of Western music in the following Asian countries. There are 3 countries, China, Japan, or Korea. Much of what would later become known as art music is sophisticated synthesis the various regional genre and practices. Murag ilado na naman ang mga music ma'am, labi na sa mga kultura na nila. The impact of urbanization and metropolization on the development of new genres and philosophies of the music continues to be felt today. So, maura to ma'am. Thank you. God bless.